Hey, what's up Twitter land, Facebook land, Instagram land and lands beyond. And how can I forget you guys, YouTube land, what's up? Well, this is your new host Mark Mascarenas and I've got this whole new shit chat. Well, do you like sex with or without condoms? It's a preference, it's a choice, it's more about feelings. Let's try to figure out what the people have to say. Well, today we are in Mumbai, so let's see what Mumbai has to say. Come along with me. First of all, so do you like it with a condom or without a condom?
Obviously without a condom.
हाँ बताओ और बताओ. Why?
Why it's like it gives more pleasure and more fun, like when we intimate with someone.
I like it both ways, honestly. So it's just about choice, it's preference, whatever you prefer at that particular moment.
So when would you think that it's okay to not, or
if I trust my partner completely,
yeah, so trust is a factor.
I feel like without condom में जो feel आता है with condom में क्यों नहीं आता, क्योंकि बीच में एक थैली होती है.
Yes, bitch, this is what I'm talking about. How do you prefer it, with or without a condom?
With.
And why?
If it so happens that you don't use protection and the girl gets pregnant, the guy doesn't have much responsibility, the girl does.
I like to have it without condom. गौर से देखिए इस बंदे को, यही है देश की जनसंख्या बढ़ा रहा है.
Sometimes guys don't want to use anything on that. They like it the way it is. And women are a little more careful about themselves and they want to use that piece of rubber or plastic on there.
It is okay to let him sometimes. It depends on how much can he control, because it's his body at the end of the day. Whether he can keep that in or he has to get it out in me.
Do you prefer giving your girlfriend the pill, or would you prefer her wearing a female condom?
I haven't tried it, but pill works better.
Okay, pill works better. Speak to your friend. How long do you know this guy for?
We are like childhood buddies.
तो pill works better बोल रहा है भाई ये, तो इसको समझा कुछ?
Different people, different
अच्छा,
perceptions,
different. Okay.
But not all the time.
And what do you think about the pill? Is that a cool idea?
so it's not.
Why?
I think it just fucks it up for a girl, honestly.
Yeah, there's a lot of problems with skin and other things like that, right? Like, what do you all think is necessary, with or without condom?
With condom, definitely.
Why exactly?
I don't want to become that so early.
So you don't want to be a dad soon, okay. Apart of that, are there any other reasons that you guys think are important?
Yes.
Like, what are the type of girls that you don't mind going bareback on?
Any type of girls.
Any type of girl. This guy like जैसे मिले वैसे सीधा.
हाँ मतलब चेहरा ढक के शुरू हो गए वो तो नहीं मतलब.
Okay, so no cover the face and hitting the base. None of that happening. What about you?
No clue. Never tried. The day I try, I'll definitely get back to you.
And how do you deal with birth control? Like there are so many, like there's the copper T, there's the pill, there's the female condom, which people in India do not actually use. A lot of things.
I think copper tea is a good way of doing it.
A copper tea.
Yeah.
Do you prefer for the girl to have a pill, or do you like not go in there and let it happen
No,
outside?
obviously I'll take her, like I'll take a pill.
Okay, see, you're not worried about STDs and hygiene, but you are worried about having a child.
Yeah, exactly.
Get the fuck out of my frame, bitch. So that was another day and another question. Well, with condoms, whether you like to put a suit on it or no. Well, we got a lot of answers in regards to this. Mix of people said, well, without condoms, why not with condoms? Because they are worried about their body a little more. STDs are something that are very common. Like, it's not difficult for you to get an STD without even knowing that it exists in your body. So I think to put a condom up, to put a suit on your stick is a good idea, because who knows where the stick has been, honey. And anyways, share the love, not STDs. Bye.